So this is 2 cups of Idli Rava soaking in water, and this is half of it, 1 cup of urad dal soaking in water. Just soak both of them for 2 hours, not more than 2 hours. So let's meet after 2 hours. So this is the urad dal that has been soaking for 2 hours. Can you see it? So now I'll use this mixie to grind it. Okay, and I'll show you. And this is the Idli Rava that's also been soaking for 2 hours. Okay, so let's meet after grinding. This is the ground urad dal batter. I just ground in the mixie. We can see the consistency. See this? I hope you can see it. It should be ground very well. So let's test it. I'm just taking a bit of this dal and adding it to this cup of water. So it's just floating. So I hope you can see it. So this is the consistency. So now let's see the mixing part of the Idli Rava and urad dal. So this is the urad dal batter that I transferred from the mixie. So let's see the mixing of this Idli Rava which has been soaking. Okay, I'm just adding this. So let's add the whole thing. Yeah. So let's now mix the Idli Rava, soaked Idli Rava and urad dal batter together. So you need to mix it thoroughly. So briskly mix it. I usually add salt, but it's optional. You can add even while making idlis, but I like to add it now because usually I'm quite forgetful, so I always add it now. See, mix it thoroughly. Now I am mixing salt. Salt to taste. There's no measurement for the salt, it's just according to one's taste. So mix, 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 mix. And then you leave this to ferment overnight. I usually keep it in the oven. I switch on the oven light and keep it in oven because this is America, this is Texas, so the weather, the temperature inside the house is cold. It's centrally AC, air conditioned, so I keep it inside the oven overnight, switching on the oven light. So let's meet tomorrow. I'll show you how the batter ferments. Forgot to add one important point, that keep the batter only till half of any container, because leave some space. Leave the rest of the space for fermentation. Okay, so I'll just leave it for fermenting. Let's meet tomorrow. So this is the next morning. So we're about to see the idli batter. See, this is my first cup of coffee of the morning. And let's just open the oven, and the batter is here. So I'll show you. I hope you can see the batter. See, it's risen so well. It's fermented beautifully. See, this is the fermented batter. Beautiful, isn't it? So I'll just show you. So this is how it should ferment. It's become almost full. The batter was half the container yesterday. Now see. So yeah. So now let's go to the idli making process. So the idli plates are greased. I've greased them with till oil. You can use any oil, just a bit of oil, just a bit, maybe few drops. So now let's fill the plates. So this is my idli pot. The water is ready, it's steaming, so I'm placing this idli stand into this, and let's steam it for say 10 to 12 minutes. And so let's see if the idlis are cooked. Wow, they look so yummy. So let's just test this. Yeah, it's non-sticky. Let's test one more. Wow, so they look really good. Yeah, so we are ready to serve the idlis. So I hope you can see the picture. Yeah, I'm just greasing a spoon in a bowl of water. Yeah, so that the idlis come out smooth. So wow, I'm so excited. So these are the idlis. Aren't they good? I hope they taste good also. So actually you can eat them right away without adding any oil or ghee, but it tastes most yummy with a little dash of ghee or til oil. So if you want a healthy version, just eat it plain with chutney. So and this is the chutney. This is the red chutney, tomato chutney. Yeah, so this is my platter of idlis with tomato chutney. So this tomato chutney recipe I've already shared in my channel. So I'll give you the link. Just follow the link to get the recipe of tomato chutney. So it looks so yummy and I'm so excited. Do try, do try out and share your feedback. Thank you. Actually, I was doing some research and I found that one idli, a medium-sized idli, contains only 39 calories or maximum 40 calories. So, and it's got zero fat. As I told you, if you do not wish to add til oil or ghee, then it's fine. You know, it's a perfectly healthy breakfast recipe. So I hope you all like it. And if you do like my video, please like and also please subscribe and don't forget to share my video. Thank you. Meet you in the next healthy video. Bye bye.